CASA Court-Appointed Special Advocates has one mission, and that is to train community volunteers to advocate on behalf of children who are in CPS care due to abuse and neglect. Their entire duty is to make recommendations to the court on what is in the best interest of the child.
The biggest benefit that I have seen from having been in the foster care situation and working with them as a CASA is breaking the cycle that these children have come in. Oftentimes, the children who are in foster care are adopted by their foster family, and if they had not been adopted through that family, chances are they would have just gone down that same path that got them there in the first situation. And many of the parents that we work with of these children were former foster care situations where they had broken homes and CPS, cases and related to that. And so these children just go through cycle after cycle. But once they get in this system, oftentimes they just get to get out and be adopted by a wholesome whole family, which I've seen a couple of times, and it's so fun. It's so amazing. My first case is, I still keep in touch with them. It's wonderful. I love it.
I'd had previous experience with CPS because my own youngest granddaughter had got placed in my home when she was 22 months old, and raised her for several years. So I was familiar with the process, so I really had a heart for these children that can get displaced and how important it is that somebody's on their side.
We need advocates. We need people who are going to go to bat for these children. Right now in Bell and Cordell counties, there are around 800 children who are in CPS care. With the number of volunteers that we have, we can actually help a little over 200 of them. So there's unfortunately a lot of room for growth for us, and we're looking for people who have it in their heart to help these abused and neglected children.
I think this is getting it out into the community. So I think I'm impacting the community, I'm impacting the children that I work with, and showing them my love for Jesus just through my actions with them and my care for them and trying to keep up with their well-being.
Being a CASA, working with CASA is truly the most remarkable thing I've ever done in my life. Every day I get to be a white knight and do nothing but defend and help kids. There's nothing better.